Hello and welcome back to Baking with Mrs. Mitchell. Today we're making one of your favorites, pumpkin pie. So we just mixed up our spices and the brown sugar, and now what we're going to do is we're going to crack the eggs, whip up those eggs, put all the ingredients in, and mix it up and we're done. Let's do it. Okay, so we're ready to put the pie all together. Now you have two options here. I like to make my own pie crust. It's really easy. So here's my pie crust that I made a bit ago. If you want this recipe, check down below in the comments. If you don't want to make your pie crust and you want it super duper easy, then go ahead and buy one of these. And I really like the Pillsbury pie crust. I think they're pretty good. And so this comes with two individually wrapped crusts. So what's really nice is you can make either two pumpkin pies, you can make one chicken pot pie, you can make one apple pie. Before you get started, take this out of the fridge, let it sit on the counter while you're making your mix, and it'll be ready to go by the time you're ready to pour it in.